Alright, we're on Denton Road. We're just going to the clean out?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we have arrived to the clean out. Past the clean out.
Look good?
Yeah, looks good.
Alright.
Do we have to drop into the county or?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're good.
That's what I know of. What we put in.
Yeah. It's right there, the clean out.
Yeah, last time we wanted to do is get hung up out there in the county stuff and couldn't get it back, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright.